Drama at Etihad. Manchester City, they have won 3 goals against Crystal Palace to reduce the gap between Arsenal and Manchester City. Now is the difference of 2 points pale English Premier League. So the pressure is at Arsenal, whether they're gonna win the league or Manchester City they're gonna win the league. Now they are in title race, title race. Even though Pep Guardiola is such an intelligent person because aliamua akalisha Erling Haaland, akakalisha Jeremy Doku na akakalisha Ake na pale akamkalisha pia Ryan Cherki, and nini pale tena Rodrigo hayuko bado hajarudi, but akaeka watu kama akina Foden, Savinha na akina Semenyo, and Foden akadominate game, and it is what it is, it is what it is.